Hello and welcome to a different kind of video. Today I have this box I just got in from the Mint, the US Mint. I ordered a bag of Bessie Coleman quarters from the Philadelphia Mint. So I figured I'd open this up and we'll crack into the quarters and see what we find. So I'm gonna look for some mint airs, anything odd or strange. This comes directly from the Mint, so there could be anything in here. Well, anything on Betsy Coleman quarters. So fingers crossed we find some good stuff. If not, we'll have some mint steak quarters that are in a bag that probably have some dings and dents on them. So hopefully, at least we can find some nice looking quarters. All right, well, let's get into this and see what we got. Intro, take 473. Cue music. Cue coins.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. Now pick them up. I'm not rich. And don't forget to check out my merch store. They got some new logos, all kinds of different options, shirts, mugs, bags, even pillows. I might have to get me a pillow. Everything's customizable. You can change the size, shape, and location of your logo and even move it to the back or add stuff to the back. Thank you very much. Link in the description below. All right, let's get into this. I might split this up in, let's get it open first. There should be, hey, look at that. It is a mint sewn bag. Nice. Very nice. All right, this is going to be fun. Bessie Coleman, 100 coin bag from the Mint, Philadelphia. All right, this is a sealed bag. Nice. It was nice that it was kind of folded up and folded in the box to keep it from shaking too much, but you know, it was shipped, so let's see. Oh, that just makes it tight. How do you open this? All right, I got my knot undone and I think I can just pull it now. Nope. Dang it. Let me see. If I pulled this string, it would come undone, but it's... I think if you pull the string, so let's just do this. Boom. Oh, nope, not that one. No, not that one. Ah! Okay, let's see. Did I get it started? Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's how it's supposed to work. Jeez. Childproof. All right. Now, I'll probably hit some music as we go through these, and we will see how they all look. I'm not expecting any like super nice ones because they are in a bag. So they've jingled around with each other, but you know, any type of mint airs would be awesome. So let's take a quick look at this first one. Hold on. Since these are new from a mint sewn bag, I am using gloves. These are it looks very nice. I recently got a box of quarters, and it was a box of these. Brand new 2023s. So I've got a whole box to go through, but I wanted to get a mint sewn bag, and I thought, well, why not do these? All right, so I'm gonna stack these up over here, out of the way. Let me put my glove back on, and we will go through these, and I will probably put on some music as we look through, and we'll see how things are going. If I find anything good, we'll take a break and I will let you Alright, so I went through all of them, nothing major on any of them that I could see. I'm going to hit them under the scope and I will come back and let you know what I find. Otherwise, the mint bag is empty and I've got $25 in quarters here. Okay, so just to wrap up here, all these are normal, nothing on those. These two stacks have doubling on Bessie's nose. This stack of 5 has some of the NQ machine doubling on the in the EG, the designer initials. This one here has what looks like a potential little stripe through there, but it's so small and there's so many scratches and dents and dings, it could just be a scratch. So that's what I found out on all these. So yeah, well, I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up, helps me out. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you thought. Thank you much for watching, everyone. Have a good day.